Okay, so in this video, I will explain again, just to remind you of the VLOOKUP concept. The VLOOKUP, again, it's a search function in Excel, and it's used to, in addition to other lookup functions, that's used mainly to search or look for information on your worksheet or multiple worksheets. So in this scenario here, we're going to look up a value in cell A2 in the range. Just forgot to finish this. So we're going to look up a value in cell A2 in this range and return. So when you write a VLOOKUP function, again, it's a V stands for vertical, right? Okay, so lookup. So the first argument is the lookup value. So what are you basing your search on? Okay. Next argument is going to be the range. So you look for this value in this range and return a corresponding value from the second column of the range. Okay. So we have the false and true for an exact. So the first argument is going to be just the base is going to use a coloring. That's going to be our lookup value. Next argument is the range, and then the third argument is the corresponding the column number if it's returning. So if you have a lookup range of 2 columns, this is going to return, obviously the first one is going to be the lookup values, and the second one is going to be the return or the outcome, okay, or the result. Okay, but if you may have more than 1 column or more than 2 columns, at the minimum would be 2, but the max could be a limited number of columns. And the fourth argument is an optional. By default it's true, but if you want to kind of change that for an exact match, you have to change it to false. So again, A2, so I'm looking for a value or lookup for a value based on the lookup value A2, with the value in A2 in this range. Return column number 2, okay, and the match type is exact. So this is yellow. That's the B2, okay, and this will return 2, false, this type, and that's the conclusion of this function. Okay. Again, this could change, depends on the scenario, of course.